Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics Corner. I am Mukul Sarma, subject is Mathematics. Today I shall discuss about universal set and union of sets. Now at first, universal set. Universal set. What do you mean by universal set? In the discussion of the set theory, it is generally happen that the set that we are studying is a subset of a superset. আমি যেটা সেটৰ কথা আলোচনা কৰোঁ তো দেখা পাওঁ যে যিটো সেটৰ কথা আমি আলোচনা কৰি আছোঁ সেই সেটটো অইন কোনোবা নহয় এটা সেটৰ সাবসেট হিচাপে থাকে আৰু এটা সেট তাৰ সুপাৰসেট হিচাপে থাকে তেতিয়া সেই সুপাৰসেটটো কি ক'ব এই সাবসেটটোৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি ইউনিভাৰ্সেল সেট বুলি ক'ব পাৰোঁ that superset is called universal set for that subset. As for example, if we are studying natural number, আমি যদি natural number কথা আলোচনা কৰি আছোঁ natural number সেটৰ বিষয়ে আলোচনা কৰি আছোঁ then the set of integer or rational number or real numbers are universal set. We can take integer as universal set, we can take rational number as universal set, you can take real numbers are also universal set in case of natural number, because natural number means 1 2 3 etc. integer means dot 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 minus 3 minus 2 etc. Clearly it is seen that natural number is a subset of integer. So in that case, in that sense, we consider integer as the universal set. To represent universal set, the letter U is used. Thus we see that universal is nothing but a superset of a subset. Now we shall discuss about what is union of two sets. Union of sets. Let A and B are two sets. Then the set consisting of all the elements of A and B. Let A and B are two sets, then a set consisting of all the elements of A and B is called union of A and B. A আৰু B যদি সংগতি হয় দুটা সেট হয় তেতিয়াহ'লে A থাকা আৰু B থাকা আটাইবোৰ মৌলক লগাই যিটো সংগতি আমি পাম যিটো সেট আমি পাম কিন্তু ইয়াতে এটা কথা মনত ৰাখিব লাগিব যে কমন ইউনিয়নবিলাক এবাৰহে লিখিব লাগিব ধৰা A 2 আছে B 2 আছে তেতিয়াহ'লে এটা 2 লিখিলে হ'ব গতিকে ইউনিয়ন অফ সেট মানে দুটা সেটৰ আমি জাস্ট লগাই দিছোঁ কেনেকৈ ইউনিয়ন কৰিছোঁ গতিকে A থাকাবিলাকো লাগিব B থাকাও লাগিব কিন্তু কমন ইউনিয়নবিলাক এবাৰহে লিখিব লাগিব let example as for example A is equal to 1 2 3, B is equal to 2 3 4 5. Now A union B. Note that A union B is denoted by now A union B. It is a symbol to represent A union B. This is now A union B is equal to A element or B element গোটেইবিলাক ইয়াত থাকিব লাগিব 1 2 3 2 already written 3 already written 4 5. This is the A union B. We can express clearly it is in the Venn diagram also. In Venn diagram, Let A, this is the A, arrow. A means this is element of A. Element of A are 1, 2, 3, and elements of B are A is element 1, 2, 3, B is element 2, 3, 4, 5. Common elements there. This is common element. This is position 1. A is the set. This is element containing 1, 2, 3. B is the element 2, 3 already is in. Put it 4, 5. The union means this is the shaded portion. This is portion. But A union B is a shaded portion. Or it element belong to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now properties of union. Properties of এক নম্বৰ property হিচাপত মিলাব পাৰোঁ A union B is equal to B union A. This is called commutative property. Commutative property. In the algebra we have seen that 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2 and dash type. Commutative property. Associative property is there. A union B, union C, A union B, union C. This is associative. Associative property. Some other properties. Like A union A equal to B. A union phi is equal to A. C. A union is equal to A union phi is equal to phi. That is U union A union U is equal to U. U means universal set, since U A is a subset of. These are all about the properties of union of two sets. We can prove it also. A union U means universal set is equal to U. This is all about union of set. Next I shall discuss about intersection of sets.